Bratans, Bitcoin is pumping right now, but there is only one danger. This is what we will talk about right now, Bratans. And let us watch quickly in the charts. And the danger is not only this rising wedge where we have right now, but there's also another thing. This is what we will speak right now about, Bratans. If you appreciate, hit this like, subscribe. If not, poche, Bratans. Let us quickly watch beforehand in our Telegram group, which you can join absolutely for free. I told you, I think yesterday or even 2 days ago on the 17th, I told you if you see break above 21,300, we can long. If we break below 20,600, we can short, right? And what happened, we are watching right now in the charts. So we broke 21,300 and we saw a very nice pump to around 21,000 here perfectly, 21,650, 1.7% long position, long opportunity. And the amazing thing also here, if I'm watching the bratans, our bratans in our Telegram group made amazing profits. You see here, wow, 44, 111%, 50%, 650%, 552%. So it's amazing, bratans. And how you can join the group, it's absolutely for free. I explain you in a second. And also I have a Discord channel, and this Discord channel is also absolutely for free. There you find a crypto course where you can learn how to trade Bitcoin for beginners and for advanced trades, and this also absolutely for free. How you can join it, bratans, it's very easy. Telegram group and the Discord channel with the crypto course. Here you see a link in description. It's actually basically 2 steps. Make registration on Bybit through my link, deposit $500 on your Bybit account, and then you get free access to my Discord and Telegram channel. Absolutely easy, bratans, and absolutely for free. There you in the Telegram find not only the newest news, bratans, but also if I'm entering a trade or if something big happen. And here today in the morning, I explained you already what is the danger. And right now, if you didn't see it in the video, I explain you in the Telegram group. I explain you here again in the video. So right now, the first danger is obviously the rising wedge, because the rising wedge, the price target of rising wedge is a bearish pattern, is usually the bottom of the wedge. So here, right? So, but it's only if we're breaking here this line to the downside, right? So if we break this yellow line, I have to switch, wait a minute, I make white. So if we switch this yellow line to the downside, then we can expect a dump, right? However, we are right now in a bullish mode, so it's pretty probable that we could break here this line to the upside, and then we will see Bitcoin pumping, to which price target I tell you in a second. So right now, very clear, in my opinion, if in case we are breaking here this line at 21K, 22 for example, then the first price target would be here at the bottom of the wedge, 20,200. This next one 20K, and the next one would be 19,500. So 7% short opportunity, right? If in case we are breaking this line to the upside, so you see we are perfectly here, touched it, got rejected, and however, if we are breaking at 21,660, then the first price tag would be around 22,100. So a nice long opportunity of 2%. And I show you also my trades. I show you my trades and tell you exactly what is the second danger for Bitcoin right now. I show you first my trade. So I have here one long position open with $160 in profit, $50,000 in contract size. This is amazing. And I found another position which I had open, bratans. I forgot about it. It's another position with 1.6 Bitcoin position with right now 937% profit, over $70,388 in profit. I entered at 16,850. So also an amazing trade, bratans. And right now, let's speak about the second danger. And what is amazing, we opened, why we saw this massive pump, because we opened right now the stock market literally minutes ago, I think 2 minutes ago, we opened it with a pump. And this pump we saw already, because I told you in the Telegram group, in the futures, we saw the pump in the futures. We saw it was at 4,020 and we opened the market with a pump, the S&P 500, and the S&P 500 is the leading indicator for Bitcoin. Now we're coming for the second danger, because I know Bitcoin, wait a minute, Bitcoin is acting a little bit confusing right now, but what we have a joker, we have the S&P 500. And S&P 500, if you don't understand what is happening in the crypto space, just watch S&P 500, because S&P 500 is the leading indicator for Bitcoin. There's only one exception. If Sam Bankman-Fried and FTX going to the toilet or some other exchange, it's obviously not. It's not depending on the S&P and the S&P 500. So, if S&P 500 goes down, Bitcoin go down, and if Bitcoin goes down, crypto goes down. If S&P 500 pumps, Bitcoin pumps, and crypto pumps. So let us right now watch. And right now there's a big chance, and also, wait a minute, Black, what happened? A big chance, but also a big risk, because we have here this resistance line since 2021. It's a big resistance line. You see this one, right? This resistance line is a massive resistance line since 1 year, and right now we're trying to break it to the upside. In case we're getting here rejected, if we're getting rejected, then we see the S&P 500 heading down, and if S&P 500 going down, then obviously, wait, which color I make? If S&P 500 going down, then obviously the whole crypto market will go down, because S&P 500 is the leading indicator. However, the big chance is right now, and this is much more probable, that we will break to the upside here, and then we will see also Bitcoin pumping. What happened based on the past, we could see here a break to the upside, retest, and then a pump, right? Because obviously the whales don't want that you fill your bags. They want to buy your Bitcoin very cheap. And if we're watching right now on 4-hourly, this is exactly what happened before in the past. This is where we make a lot of gains. This was here a small resistance line, which was nearly 3 months old. We broke it to the upside. You see, based on the past, we broke it to the upside, retested, and then saw this pump. So this is what I'm expecting right now. We are the whole time retesting it. You see, we are retested once, we are retested twice, we are retested the third time, and right now potentially we are breaking in the next days to the upside. Then we have a massive pump, maybe to 22,100, maybe even to 25K Bitcoin, and then we are retesting. Then we could see again a fall down to 18K, and then we will see a pump. The exact numbers, nobody knows, bratans. However, usually we break to the upside, retesting, and then see a pump to the upside. I'm pretty sure that we will see here a pump. However, watch out for the S&P 500. It's the leading indicator for Bitcoin, bratans. And we see also Ethereum pumping. Why? It's obvious, because Bitcoin pumping. We don't have to watch what is where's the entry position for Ethereum. We just have to watch what is Bitcoin does. And what Bitcoin does, we have to watch what S&P 500 does, right? To understand what Bitcoin does. So, however, we broke also here big resistance line on the Ethereum on the Ethereum chart. It's a big resistance line since November 2021. So this is also very bullish for Ethereum. I expecting that Ethereum will go at least between $2,500 and $3,500. However, we could see if Bitcoin have and S&P 500 have a small retest, then have Bitcoin a small retest, and then I expecting also obviously that Ethereum could have a retest of this white line before we'll see a pump, and this could be at around $1,000. What I hope so much, bratans, because then I can buy even more Ethereum, right? And also not only Ethereum, but also FXS, bratans. FXS is at the moment this fracture. Just do your own research about this project. I told you on the 9th January about this project. So I told you about this project in the Telegram group here on the 9th November. So at the time I told you that I'm buying. It did already over 71 pump. You see, over 71% pump. So this is amazing, bratans. And what right now we see here no resistance at all. So I expecting here that we will see FXS pumping at least to $13.20 in the next days. It depends on Bitcoin. If Bitcoin pump, then expecting that we will see FXS a pump of 45%. And by the way, FXS, I didn't invest. I didn't invest in the pre-seed round, or it's not a promo or something like that. I wish, because I like this product so much. I'm buying just by myself on the market, and you can buy it also on Bybit, bratans. And if you want to more know when I'm jumping into new projects, when I'm jumping into long, when I'm closing a long, when I'm closing a short, when I open a short, and so on, you can get it, everything absolutely for free here in our Telegram group, bratans. Everything really absolutely for free, and all the analysis absolutely for free. And also, if you want to learn more about crypto, in my Discord channel, you get a crypto course also absolutely for free for beginners and advanced traders. All you have to do is just link in the description, bratans. 2 steps: make a registration on Bybit here through my link and deposit $500 on your Bybit account. You can use it for trading, or you can just leave it there. And your third, you get free access to my Discord and Telegram channel, absolutely for free, bratans. So in my opinion, it's a big opportunity right now. Watch out for it. I hope we will have some cool down to 19,500. I hope, bratans, because then I can very cheap buy Aave, FXS, Bitcoin, Ethereum. However, and right now, I wrote with you in my Telegram group, also a lot of people writing, yes, we are on the RSI heavily overbought on the 4 hourly, 1 hourly, 50-minute, and so on. Daily, we are heavily overbought. However, bratan, if Bitcoin wants pumping, it's acting crazy. And it could be that we see another pump to 25K and even to 30K before we see cool down, for example, to 25K, right? So therefore, right now, I know usually we're using dump money, smart money indicator to understand Bitcoin RSI, but right now it's acting really, it's in a bull mode, it's in a relief rally, and I would stand right now on the sideline. I mean, we are right now in a long because we broke 21,300. However, if we're breaking the support line to the downside of this rising wedge, then I would jump into a short. If we break further to the upside, then I'm longing, right? I wouldn't watch right now too much on the RSI, or I'm right now using more the indicator of the S&P 500. This is what I'm watching right now. And like I told you, I'm expecting that we will break to the upside and then retesting of the S&P 500, this big resistance line on the weekly. This is what I'm expecting. This would mean a pump on Bitcoin first and then a dump, right? So that we see even more further pump. And if Bitcoin further pump, what it means, all the shorts get squeezed, right? This would a Cascadian liquidation, it's English for me, a little bit difficult. So I hope you understand me, bratans. If you want to know more in which project I'm investing, or everything what I'm telling you right now, or when I'm closing my long, when I'm opening a short, or where we are going in the next few hours, I will everything write you down in the Telegram group, because I cannot do all the videos every minute for you, bratans, unfortunately. So thank you everyone for watching. I kiss you, and I see you in the Telegram group. Mwah!